Hi everyone, my name is Akrisha Karne. Today we are going to see the fifth experiment. Here in this experiment, we are using the online data set, which is low breast cancer. Then we are going to input the pandas library, which is used for data handling through not which should not be heavier when we are using that. Uh, Then we are going to load the dataset into variable data. Then we are displaying the first five feature names, which are which we are using the relevant formula. Then we are using target underscore names to display the target names. Here the features names we are going to use are mean radius, mean texture, mean perimeter, mean area, and the mean smoothness. Okay, the target names are malignant and benign. Okay, then at the second question, we are going to find the shape of the size of the x and the y. Okay, here we are taking x as the target, sorry, x as the data and y as the target. So we are just finding the size of the both x and y. Okay, then at next question, which is third question, here we are going to Uh, here we are going to import the standard scalar, which will create a scalar. Here for fitting the transform EX, uh, which is useful for normalizing the data. Okay. Then the formula for scale standardization is value minus mean and divided by standard deviation, which is used to doing the standardization. Okay. uh, the next question is we are going to train the train test split. In this we are importing the train test split. Then we are using 20 percentage of testing and 80 percentage of training. Then we are printing the length of the exchange and the uh, length of the x test, um, as an as we are assuming from the training and the testing samples. Okay. Then next question, we are going to convert to tensors. Okay. Here we are importing, first we are importing the torch. Then we are going to uh, do the process for exchange tensor, X test tensor, and train tensor, Y test tensor. Here the flow tensor, which is used to convert to PyTorch tensor. Okay. Then the view. This represents to reshape into the column. Okay. Then we are going to print for the uh, we are just printing for anyone. So we are just printing for X train tensor. Okay. Then Okay. Next question is define MLP model. Okay. Here we are just creating the neural network class. Then super of which is used for initiating the base class. Then layers. Here first here. This is used to find the sequential model. Then based on that, we are just doing the linear for different size types. Okay, and different hidden layers. Okay, for see, different hidden layers, we are just doing the process. Okay, then. Yeah, for the output layer, we are just using the sigmoid, which indicates the probability 0 to 1. Okay. Then we are just printing the model value. Here are the outputs. Okay. The next question is training. Here in this BCE loss, which means binary classification loss. Okay. Then Adam, which represents that it will used for the optimizing. Okay. Then in this for loop, we are just going to uh, uh, loop, making a loop process for the training. Okay. Then here in this we are just using forward pass and the backward pass, and for both for the backward pass we are just using the optimization process. Then we are going to print the epoch value. Okay. Epoch and uh, loss values. Okay. Next we are going to import next for the next question we are going to import the matplotlib. Here uh, for the okay, training curves for the iteration and the training error, we are going to draw a graph. Okay. The title is considered as training curve for iteration and iteration versus training error. The X label is called as iteration and Y label is called as loss. And here the grid is true. Then show is used for displaying the graph. Okay. The next and last Next and the last is confusion matrix. In confusion matrix, here we are going to display the matrix visually. Okay. So these are the values for the uh, first 5 test samples. We are just doing the process. Okay. So this is the fifth experiment. Thank you.